Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to delete Bigo account permanently. So in order to delete the Bigo account, you must first have account in Bigo application and you must be logged in your device. I already have the application, I have the account and I'm already logged in. So I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Bigo application. So once you tap on your Bigo application, you reach this page where you'll have to go and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap the profile icon at the bottom right, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on the settings icon that is at the upper right. So once you tap on the settings icon, you'll have to go and tap on the account management option. You'll get to this page where you'll have to scroll all the way down. At the very end on bold letters, you'll see delete account option. You'll have to go and tap on the delete account option. Then you'll reach safety verification page where you'll have to enter your password to verify that it is you who is deleting the account. So you must enter the account login password to verify. So I'm quickly gonna enter the password. So once you enter the password, you must tap on the next option. And if you want to verify using SMS, you can even do that by tapping on other verification option. Here, in order to delete the account, you must pass all the options. Once you pass all the options, you'll have to go and tap on confirm and continue option. So after that, you reach account deletion important page where you'll have to check all the agreements of account deletion. You must go and check that and tap on delete account. So you must confirm to delete your account. So once you delete, Bigo Live will process your information within 20 days and you can even restore your account during this period and log in again. But after account deletion, all associated data under the account will be deleted and cannot be recovered. So you must go and tap on delete if you agree to these terms and conditions. So once you tap on delete, the account will successfully be deleted. So that is how you delete your account permanently in Bigo. So that is it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining.